Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Give it a try. Extra. The bubbles, tapioca pearls, get harder when they cool and when they are left out. Explore what happens when you reheat them. Extra. Substitute the tapioca flour with another flour, such as cornstarch, potato starch or wheat flour. 19 September 2019.
Take our lead.
6 convenient tapioca starch substitutes. Cornstarch. Cornstarch makes a great replacement for tapioca flour and is easily accessible. Cassava flour. Potato starch. All-purpose flour. Arrowroot. Rice flour. The 28th of June 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
In the United States, tapioca starch and tapioca flour are the same thing. Tapioca flour comes from the root of the cassava plant. It's basically the same thing as tapioca pearls, like you would use for pudding, but tapioca flour has been ground into AA flour. Tapioca flour, starch adds structure to gluten-free baking. 25 October 2012.
Let's help you make your mark.
With a little time and effort, you can make warm brown sugar boba from scratch. Place loose left tea in tea bag or tea strainer. Pour over 4 cups freshly boiled filtered water. Let mixture steep for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain out tea leaves. Stir in simple syrup. Let mixture cool. Store in the fridge until cold. The 13th of May 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fishy Green Ale was part of the new fairs for the Diagon Alley expansion of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. The fish eggs are, in fact, boba tea blueberry-flavored pearls that release a sweet, tart explosion.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Use 1 tablespoon of arrowroot, cornstarch, or flour for every 1½ teaspoons of tapioca starch called for. Bear in mind, these substitutes may not be gluten-free. These substitutes are intended to replace the tapioca in pie fillings, cobblers, and similar dishes. 23 September 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.